Welcome to Passware 2023 version 2 What's New video. We will make a quick overview of the key features and improvements available in our spring release. The latest update now includes decryption of Steganos data safe containers. Once you drag and drop the SLE container, Passware Kit creates two targets, one for the outer and another for the hidden partition. Set up password recovery settings and click Recover to start the process. Recovered passwords are displayed on the Passwords Found tab. Hardware performance for Steganos containers is about 1,700 passwords per second on an Intel i7 9700F CPU. We've also added password recovery support for NTLM v2 hash, which gives us Windows network passwords and Ethereum key store v3 wallet. The recovery speed on an Intel i7 9700F CPU can reach 700,000 passwords per second for NTLM v2 hash. With the release of 2023.2, Passware Kit Forensic allows to brute force Personal Iteration Multiplier parameters alongside with the VeraCrypt password. On the I do not have a memory image tab, you can now enter several PIMs to test separated by comma, or use a dash for number ranges. From now on, Passware Kit supports mounted physical drives in addition to disk images. Run Passware Kit as administrator and specify the drive as //physical drive n, where n is the disk number in the encrypted volume image field. Customize other settings and continue with the decryption. In addition, the latest Passware Kit Forensic with enabled T2 add-on now supports both password reset and recovery for Mac EFI Firmware passwords. You can now choose to either instantly remove the password or try to recover it. To proceed, the target Mac should be connected with the Thunderbolt cable and put into DFU mode. Once the EFI Firmware password is removed, you can continue with the APFS file vault decryption for the target Mac with T2 chip. You can restore the previous Mac state and set back the EFI password if needed. Finally, it is the last call to become a beta tester of the completely redesigned version of distributed password recovery. Details can be found from the Passware account. It supports running multiple attacks simultaneously and minimizes GPU idle time by optimizing the management of the computational resources. With the new beta version, it is possible to assign or reassign Passware Kit agents to any Passware Kit Forensic instance within the local network. As a result, there's no longer a need to customize passware agent settings on each computer. You are more than welcome to share your feedback or suggestions on how to improve the Passware Kit. Please find more details on the latest release from the blog post linked to the video description below. Thank you for joining us today.